Hello all, this is Ranjani. I'm a certified and registered yoga teacher. I have also done my specialization in post and prenatal yoga teacher training. In this video, I'm going to discuss in detail about the prenatal yoga or the pregnancy yoga. I have made this video in a way to answer all the frequently asked questions by many pregnant women out there. Stay tuned till the end of this video where I have added 2 bonus tips which may sound interesting to you. Prenatal yoga is a specially designed yoga for the mother which is both beneficial and safe for the mother and the fetus. What is so special in this prenatal yoga? This prenatal yoga is a kind of childbirth preparation class. Like how we take the breastfeeding classes or the labor preparation classes, this prenatal yoga will give you the body awareness both physically and mentally in a safe way. But why prenatal yoga? My mom or grandmom from previous generations didn't do this prenatal yoga. This term also they have never heard. Then why should I do? What is the need? Answer lies in the question itself. Our earlier generations were more active than us. They didn't use much equipments like the washing machines, vacuum cleaners or the mixer grinders to do their household chores. They also walked a lot and physically active than we are today. Moreover, they used to sit on the floors. Especially Indians, they used to sit on the floors for much of their activities. They never used a sofa or bed like we use today. This made their pelvic floor muscles stronger than we have in this generation. Most of us now have reduced physical activity or sedentary lifestyle in both jobs and personal life. That is the reason exercise is a must even during our pregnancy. Prenatal yoga is one safe way of exercising both our body and mind, helping the mother and the baby. Sounds interesting. Benefits of prenatal yoga. Due to hormonal changes in our body, pregnancy is the time where it's quite common to have mood swings and stress in our mind. And this prenatal yoga will help you to relax your mind and release the stress and anxiety within you. When the stress is reduced in the mind, the muscles are getting relaxed and the circulation is increased in the body. This improves your sleep, the second point. By practicing certain asanas, the flexibility, strength and endurance of certain muscle group in our body gets increased. This will help you in having a natural childbirth. Pregnancy is associated with a lot of complications. Example, the back pain, nausea, headaches, shortness of breath, swelling of the legs. These complications can be avoided or reduced with the practice of yogic techniques, which I'll be covering in the later part of this video. The last but the cute benefit from the prenatal yoga is you can bond with your baby even in the fetal stage. Want to know how? Watch the full video. So what are the techniques that we are going to learn or expect from a prenatal yoga class? You will be learning the basic warm-ups to loosen up your muscles and joints, asanas and postures to strengthen and increase the flexibility in your pelvic floor muscles, and also to increase the circulation and strength in the overall body. Breathing practices or pranayamams, guided meditations which will help you to bond with your baby and also to relax yourself. Fifth one is Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra is a separate topic. This Yoga Nidra will give you relaxed sleep, which is quite not possible in many pregnant women. And also this releases tension from both the mind and the body. Techniques and tips to incorporate positive values in your baby in the fetal stage. This is called fetal memory. Fetal memory? This is a new term for me. What is that? Would you like to add some more points on it? Do you know that the fetus can develop desire to a certain taste or song even within the womb? And according to fetal programming theory, certain adulthood diseases can be stemmed from the fetus because of malnutrition, maternal anxiety and violence during pregnancy. The same way, we can register good values and positive information to our babies within the womb by using certain techniques. This is the reason traditionally pregnant women were kept happy and given with all the best things they desire, because they know the happy moms makes the healthy babies. The pregnant women may also learn other techniques such as visualization, scripting and the Trataka practices to focus her mind on developing a healthy mind and body rather than concentrating on problems and negative thoughts. This erases the negative thoughts from the mother. This also erases the fear that many women have on pregnancy, labor and the postpartum period. The most important point, the 8th point, is labor preparation. The pregnant women will learn about the stages of labor, breathing practices that she needs to follow during the labor pain, which will help in easing the pain and also fasten the labor process. Certain physical postures to practice in passive labor time. Certain mind practices to calm her mind to follow during labor, which includes affirmations. Anything for postnatal? The women who have followed the prenatal yoga throughout her pregnancy will have a healthy mind, so she'll not be that easily affected by the postpartum depression. The postpartum depression is quite common among all the pregnant women. Though if she gets the postpartum depression because of the surging hormones, she will be able to handle the postpartum depression on her own, or she'll be in a state to reach out to a professional or a family member rather than succumbing and suffering within her, which will affect both the mother and the newborn baby. Last point I would like to discuss is about the diastasis recti. I have discussed in detail about diastasis recti in my previous video. If you have missed to watch, I will be giving the link in the description box below. Please go and watch that video. We know that 60% of the pregnant women are prone to diastasis recti in the postpartum period, and they will find very hard to reduce their mummy tummy and also to reduce their weight in the postpartum period. If the women have attended the prenatal program in her pregnancy journey, she will be already aware of her healthy pregnancy diet and would have gained a healthy pregnancy weight, which she'll be able to shed gradually. And most importantly, her core muscles would have been strengthened because of the asana postures that she have practiced during her pregnancy, and she will have least possibilities to get diastasis recti. The bonus tips, please. There are few women out there who would have faced one or more unfortunate miscarriages in their life, or they would have seen their loved ones facing the same. This would have created a fear in their mind. So these women tend to have the fear in their mind throughout their pregnancy journey. This haunting memories can be easily erased from the mind. The negative thoughts can be pulled out from the mind by using techniques such as positive affirmations, visualization and meditation. So if you have faced any such unfortunate incidents and you have the fear within you, please feel free to reach out to your prenatal yoga teacher and request for these techniques to clear your mind and have a happy pregnancy journey. The second tip is also for the people who are interested or having faith in such things. There are certain chants or mantras like Garbharakshambikai Stotram, Gayatri Mantram to listen and chant during pregnancy, which will help in developing the baby and calming the mind of the mother. So if you are interested in them, you can learn them from your teacher. Thus, I have covered all the important aspects of prenatal yoga and why girls of this age should opt out a prenatal yoga program during their pregnancy journey. But every woman and every pregnancy is different. So always consult your gynecologist and get the green signal before you start your prenatal yoga regime. How to choose my yoga teacher? A prenatal yoga teacher. Most importantly, once you decided to follow a prenatal program, choose a teacher who have done their course in prenatal yoga or the one who have good knowledge and experience in handling pregnant women, because yoga will not be the same for the pregnant women. I wish all the women out there who wishes to give birth a happy and healthy pregnancy journey. Sending you all baby dust. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever I post a video. Also, share this video with your friends and family because sharing is caring.